Solar Manila is the five-star hotel here in the Philippines, technologically advanced, and one example is the voice control.
Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
Alexa, wake me up at 6:15 a.m.
Okay. Alarm set for 6:15 a.m.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
All of this is made possible with Alexa for Hospitality. You now have immediate access to guest engagement and feedback, helping you adapt your hotel experience to meet your guests' needs.
Okada Manila five-star hotel here in the Philippines is a technologically advanced. One example is a solution that a hotel can handle for the customer to check in or check out. Shangri-La Hotel is a meeting room or event speed for a business, and also here the Wi-Fi speed and connectivity are promoted. Conrad Manila is technologically advanced, and one example is the keycard. You can easily open the door using this keycard. And they also have something provided in the gym for customers. Nobu Hotel Manila blends luxury and Japanese elegance, offering upscale accommodations and signature dining experiences in the heart of the Philippines, vibrant capital. With sleek design and impeccable service, it's a haven for those seeking a sophisticated retreat in Manila.